Today I discuss the local area network. The network allows computer to connect, communicate and direct via the medium of LAN and man and WAN. There are the three major type of the network. There are the three similar and dissimilarity between them. They are the major difference of the geographical area cover, LAN cover and smallest area and man cover, and the target LAN and man comprise the largest all. There are other three type of computer network. Also a PAN, personal area network, SAN, storage area network, EPN, enterprise private network, VPN, virtual area network. Personal area network are the personal network area having the interconnection of the personal technology device to communicate over them. They are the only less than 10 meter and or 33 feet. In PAN area, fewer used to compare to other network, such as LAN, MAN, and PAN is typically some of the wireless technologies. PAN involves the transmission of data. PAN involves the transmission of data between the information device, such as the telephone, personal computer, tablet, computer. Advantage: allows the easier communication between the personal device and close proximity. Can be set the earlier and quickly. Use wireless technology which the eliminate need to wire and cable. PAN are designed for the which means devices are communicate with each other and without during the battery and quickly. PAN is typically to secure the encryption and authentication protection which help to prevent unauthorized access to data and resources. Local area network are the connected between can share data, tool, program and group of the computer with device to connect together, switch and stack and switches used to private addresses such as the defined the TCP/IP protocol. Private address such as the unique relation between computer and the local area network. Router are found at the boundary of LAN connectivity them to the target of WAN. Local area network are the transmission very fast rate number of the computer link to limited. By defined the connection must be higher. Hardware such as the hub network adapter Ethernet cable. LAN covers smallest geographical area size and unlimited and few kilometer and they are the private owned. One of used to office building, home, hospital, schools, etc. easy to design and maintain. The communication medium used to LAN has the twisted pair cable and coaxial cable. It is the shorter distance to so error and noise is minimized. Local area network has the data rate is the 4 to 60 Mbps. Today's the speed of normally 100 to 1000 Mbps. Program delay very short and in LAN. Smallest area may be used to two computer. Which the largest local area network are the accommodation thousands of computer. LAN is the range up to 2 km. A typical range mostly with the wire connection to increase the speed of security. But the wireless connectivity can be used part of the LAN. It's the fault tolerant LAN more and there the less conjunctivity in the network. For example, a branch the student play the Counter Strike to the same school without internet. Metropolitan area network are the network cover largest area than they are the man cover LAN and smallest area. Computer in WAN. Man has the range 5 to 50 km. It connect to two or more computer than the apart but reside with the same different cities. It covers the largest geographical area may be served as the ISP. ISP stand for Internet Service Protocol Provider. ISP stand for Internet Service Provider. Man is the design to consumer who need to high speed connectivity. Speed is man range from term of Mbps. It is the hard to design to maintain metropolitan area network. Man for the network cover the largest area than they are the covered by the LAN and the smallest area compared to WAN LAN and it has been covered to 5 to 50 km. It connects to two or more computers than the part where they reside. In the same different which is the city covered to large geographical area. It may be covered as the ISP, Internet Service Provider. Math fault tolerant and less and also there is the more congestive in the network is the costly more and more in not be covered with the single ownership, where the data transfer rate is the propagation delay man and the mode rate is the use transmission of data through the man modem and wire cable is the example. In the city of design to consumer who need to high speed connectivity is the speed man range term of Mbps is the hard to design to maintain metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network advantage. It provides high-speed connectivity over the large geographical area in LAN. It used to ISP in multiple consumers. Offer higher data transfer rate with the WAN is some access. Next is the wide area network. Next is the wide area network. Wide area network, the computer network extend over the target to geographical area is the throughout the might to conflict within the boundary and state and country. WAN has the range above 50 km. Yet the WAN could be connected. A large LAN connected between the other wire telephone line radio wave maybe with a limited area of enterprises, corporation or organization. Accessibility to the public. The technology of high speed and relative expenses. There are the two type of WAN, switch WAN and the point-to-point WAN. WAN is the different area to maintain. Similar to MAN is the fault tolerant to WAN. They are the less more congestive in the nature. The communication medium used to WAN and in PSTN satellite link. Due to the large distance transmission noise, error tend to more in WAN. WAN is the data rate slow about the 10 LAN speed since there the involve increase the distance, increase the number of service of the terminal in the speed range from few kilometer per second, where the megabit in the per second in the propagation of delay over the bigger problem to face over designed to use for transmission of data through the WAN optical wire. Microwave is the satellite to example to switch is WAN. The asynchronous transfer mode, network to point WAN to dial up to line connected home computer to internet. Advantage: cover the target geographical area can be connected remote locally. Cover the large geographical area can to connected other location. Provide the connection to the internet. Offer remote access to resource to application. Can be used to support multiple users to the application simultaneously.